Nadya Suleman's now teenage octuplets looked so grown up in new photos taken at their birthday festivities at a bowling alley and park. Nadya Suleman, aka Octomom, celebrated her octuplets' 13th birthday this week. The proud mom took her 8 youngest children, Nariyah, Isaiah, Maliyah, Jeremiah, Noah, Josiah, Jonah, and Makai, to a bowling alley, and then to a park, in Laguna Niguel, California to celebrate them reaching the milestone birthday. Photos, which can be seen here, show Nadya and the octuplets gathered together and smiling while holding bowling balls at the first celebratory event. The 8 kids are truly so grown up, it's crazy that they are now teenagers. After the bowling alley, Nadya and her kids headed to a nearby park. There, they put on festive birthday hats and held cupcakes with candles in their hands. The group of 9 smiled for a few adorable group photos. Nadya also had a birthday cake with all the octuplets' names written out on the frosting. Nadya dressed in a black Nike shirt, gray workout pants, and black sneakers. She kept her dark brunette hair done up in side braids. Nadya's octuplets turned the big 1-3 on January 26. She marked the occasion by sharing an adorable throwback of her octuplets from when they were around preschool age. She cuddled up with her little ones and their father Edward Suleman on the couch in the image. She wrote in her caption, "You are all growing into some of the most kind, humble, grateful and loving human beings I have ever known. Each of you possess rare and unique characteristics, and are unlike any other child of your age, particularly in our society today." Related gallery. "35 cute photos of celeb moms out with their kids, Gwen Stefani and more." The octuplets' birth in 2009 came with quite a bit of controversy. It was later revealed that Nadya already had 6 children, all conceived through IVF, and was a single mother. Now she had become a mom to 14 kids. As the octuplets have grown, their features have become very distinct and different. Some of the children have darker hair and skin, while 2 sons, Josiah and Noah, have fair skin with blonde hair. Nadya finally made the revelation that all 8 children came from one sperm donor in May 2019. As a consequence of the heightened level of hate and controversy Octomom has already created, I felt afraid to share all of our ethnic backgrounds, she wrote on Instagram. "It took me years to love and accept my race/ethnic backgrounds. I teach my children the value of self-love and to unconditionally love all human beings.